Hello YouTube, this is Questionably Ryan, and I am bringing to you, YouTuber viewers, and maybe coders, but I'm bringing you a novice Java tutorial. Um, I am myself not an expert, obviously. I think I'm going to say that off the bat. I am hardly an expert, so yeah, we'll be learning together, and I have my checklist of what I'm going to cover in this video. So for this Java, we need our IDEs, our developer environments. I can't remember off the top of my head what the I stands for, so we're gonna open our browser myself. I heavily prefer Mozilla Firefox because of, its stuff. I use eclipse.org, although there's another one, netbeans.org. This one I have never used it, so you can go and use it yourself. I've heard it's better for like GUI based stuff. Eclipse is like just like straight like stuff, straight code. But myself, I use the Eclipse Classic, and personally, just for you, I uninstalled my Java, or not Java, Eclipse, so that I can, show you how to install it. But this one itself is good. I just prefer, the look. I myself am Windows Vista 64-bit. Gonna click the download link, and then open with, it's got stuff there. It's a whole bunch of stuff. So I am going to pause now and then resume when, it's done downloading. Oh, okay, I'm back. The download is finished. Gonna minimize this. Okay, you have your Eclipse. Just, drag and drop it onto the desktop or wherever you want to have it because, it's your folder, it's your stuff. And apparently, my computer's being slow today. So I am going to pause again. Okay, I'm back again with my Eclipse. Just gonna close this, open this, and all that good stuff. So right away, I'm going to right-click, create shortcut, and drag that over here. So that's all good. Now, just start it. Not really much to talk about now. Just wait for startup. Check that off now that I've done it because I have a checklist that I'm gonna show you guys. It's just amazing. I'm gonna act up if that doesn't. There we go. Because that just bugs me. All the folders stick together. I have no idea why my computer's acting up today. It was working perfectly fine like forever ago when I did a few test recordings, but whatever. Hopefully it'll get out of a funk soon, and we can get right into it. Because right now I have the 15-minute time limit for the YouTube videos. Right now it's at 3 minutes. So, I'll just do the pause thing again. Radio, hopefully it'll be fast from now on. Now, a workspace is like a workbench area, okay? It's like, think of it as like your shed, where you keep all your stuff. You can use this as default. That means that it always uses wherever you set it. Now, me, personally, I like to keep my stuff so I can look at them, okay? So I'm gonna go to Browse, gonna Desktop, I already have my projects folder right there. Just gonna go project, click OK, and it'll put your stuff into the projects folder. Use as default, so it doesn't ask me again. All of my projects will go into, projects. It's simple like that. Now it's loading the workbench. If the workspace is your shed, the workbench is, your workbench with all like your tools and your stuff. So right now we're just gonna wait maybe about another 10 seconds, pull out your phone, check your text if you got any, but okay, it's here. It's in this funk again. Okay, maximize. There's an overview, and what's new combined is it's like a readme for tutorials. Just deletes all that stuff. Speaking of tutorials, I recommend the new Boston. One word. He does all these sort of tutorials, but one bad thing about him is that he quits like halfway through. Samples is just what it says, samples. Gonna go to Workbench, okay? What Workbench is where all of like your panels, where all your stuff is, okay? Outline, I don't use that. You can go ahead and use it if you like being organized. Package Explorer is like where folders are displayed. It's sort of like theme. I'm getting ahead of myself here. I'm just gonna go to setup. Me, personally, Windows preferences with, you know, your stuff. There's not much to be seen anywhere except in Java. Appearance is like your Java appearance, although in general appearance, you can change what it looks like. I usually stick with this. It just looks neat, okay? I don't screw with anything else, really. So just ignore that. Code style. Right. Formatter is pretty much the only thing I screw with. So, gonna hit new. Okay, I'll just name it, preferred profile. Okay. I'm sure I spelled that wrong. I think it's supposed to be 2 R's. Oh well. Does this look right? Yes, yes it does. Okay, line wrapping. How many characters you can have per line before it goes to the next one. So, for example, if you keep it at 80, you type 80 characters, you're in the middle of a word, you hit another one, and just, you know, it just changes. I usually choose at 200 because, you know, I love overkill. Then I'm going to go to comments, scroll down, do the same thing. These are comments, these things here, okay? Your game, system, program does not read comments, okay? They're just that comments. It's for you to see, like, it's like, type of comment, this part is for whatever. I'm going to click OK, since, you know, that's all good. I'm going to check off setup, format, awesome. Basic uses is what I'm going to explain next. I'm going to hit apply, OK. Now, basic uses. Package Explorer shows like a packages, the hierarchy. It's like the, it's like Windows Explorer, right? How you save and load and stuff. This, down here, has different tabs. Problems, it's like if it crashes, it tells you like why it crashed and like what the error is. I don't really use these for anything. They're just there. Outline is basically this, except it's more detailed. Okay, now I'm gonna. Okay. Oh, forgot to check this because you know I love being organized with the check marks. Now, there's gonna be new Java project. That is what we're gonna be dealing with. We're not really gonna screw with anything else. Java project. Think of it as I'm gonna use the house analogy. Well, not really. I'm gonna think of it as like a big box, okay? Your Java project is your box, okay? Project, screw that, that's blank. You use that for like, if you have plugins. Package would be like a box inside of that box, like a container of cards, okay? That's your package. A class would be the cards inside of that, okay? So it would be the box for your project, and then it would be like a card container for your package and all that good stuff. A file is just that, a file. You can do anything with it. Untitled text file is good for like to-dos if you're working like a group. Sorry if I'm talking a little fast because, you know, I've got a 15-minute limit here. It's already at 18:15, or not 18:15, 8, whatever, screw it. But I'm going to go to new Java project because you know I'm not a pro. Like I said at the beginning, I'm hardly an expert or a pro. We're learning together. Now, some people can just be lazy, you know, just not do anything. So you want to do Java SE 1.6, okay? Project name will be the name of your project, preferably the name of your game. So I'll just do YouTube example. There we go. That's it. Done. Good. We've got our project. Now you can see here, Project Explorer, it's like a hierarchy, okay? This is like the very top level. Source is a folder for, you know, help organization. System library is what it needs to run your project. So then, this is to create a new Java class, new package. We're just going to skip the package because, you know, we don't really need anything. You can go to new class, or you can click this quick link right here. So just select source, just click this. Now you want the name of your, you know, class. So I'll just call it class 1 since we're not going to do anything, okay? Usually, the first one you make would have the main right here, and if, you know, I had a video camera, you'd see me pointing at it on the screen, but, you know, I don't, so I'm just gonna mouse over it. Wow, I'm talking fast. My throat feels funny. But, let's see, package, just, you know, that's package. It's like, yeah, whatever, just screw that. We'll deal with it later. So we're gonna hit finish, and it'll create our class called class 1. It's in the default package. Okay? So here it is, class 1. This is class 1 right here. So you can immediately see right here, the outline. You have a single class 1. Okay? This is the detailed version for each class. You see these. You see this tab. If you have more classes open, that's just, opens it. Extend this way. Okay, I'm at 10 minutes. Kind of, sort of fine here. So then, I'm just going to do an example. I'm going to create another class, call it, class 2, because, I'm a pro like that. So you've got your class 1, you've got your class 2, and your various tabs, class 1, class 2. Now, you don't have to type anything yet, I'm just doing an example, public void method 1. Okay, see, now you have method 1 in your outline. Think of it as, an outline. It shows, like, all your stuff. It's like a super detailed version of this. Now, strings are like, letters and stuff, okay? Characters. Or like quotes. See? Now you've got your string there. It shows the variable name, what kind of variable, okay? So outline is good for, like, super detailed work. I usually just skip that because, who cares about the details? So I can go ahead and check that off for, basic uses. Well, no, not really. Crap. Give me a second. Public dead. You don't have to type this, just mains. Args. I'm pretty sure I screwed something up here. Okay. System.out.println. Just, showing you an example of whatever. I am text. Save it, Control S, default stuff. This runs your program, okay? I'm pointing at it right there. So you go ahead and run it. It runs from your main, your system, your computer is outputting print, and that print slash text is I am text. See, right here, console. Problems will be if, like, it crashes or something, okay? Wow, cutting it's really fine here, but, not much else, so that's good. I have other slash ramble. I also have show you the JD GUI. JD GUI, okay? You should know, but if you don't know, that compiled Java goes into either a normal Java that you run from your command prompt, or it compiles into a .jar. A .jar is what works for Minecraft, okay? Java decompiler decompiles it. You can see the code. Yeah, go away. Hopefully I can do this real quick. Just, show you a quick example. Ryan, scroll down. Is it in here? Documents. Yes, this is. Wrong one. Program jars. Okay. I'll just show you this. Little ball. It's just, a black circle going around the screen. Click this. You can see it shows you, class. I got a class inside of a class with methods, images, and all that cool stuff. But, yeah, this is just, it opens the code for you. So that, you can do whatever with it. So I can go ahead and check that off. I'm at 14 minutes, so not much to ramble on about. This is questionably Ryan logging off. Well, not really logging off yet, because, I'm going to keep talking until the limit, and then I have to be forced to get off. Hopefully I won't have to cut anything, but, like, subscribe, comment, tell me if anything's unclear. This is episode 0/prologue, so go ahead, comment. Tell me if I am being dry with my commentary, if I need to toss a joke out there at some point. But, signing off. Right. So, see you guys next episode.